Hey everyone, and welcome to the MK channel. Here we are today for an awesome workflow that we have already talked about. It is really useful. It can be used for our needs, already mentioned for our project if you remember. The creation of animation and short films with Blender and Stable Diffusion. With this workflow, we can put anything anywhere, which makes it very powerful for animation or product factory and advertising. With this workflow, we can put anything anywhere, which makes it very powerful for animation or product factory and advertising. Let's go. So, we will start with a clear workflow, and we will add step by step all nodes that we need. First, we will need a load image. Double-click and type load image. Then double-click anywhere and type image for choosing image resize. We now need one of the most important node, the image remove background. So let's connect this nodes to see how powerful is this remove background node. For the test, I will use the image of a manga series. In order to understand the importance of this workflow for our project, I'll let you guess which manga it is. So, I adjust the size of the output image, and now we can k-prompt. As you can see, the background is not totally deleted. We can fix this by changing the mode in image remove background and k-prompt again. Alright, it's perfect now. So, now that we have isolated the subject of our work, the next step is to be able to modify the background by a simple prompt. We can then use this technique to generate the backgrounds according to each situation and the needs of each scene. This may be the case for advertisements or factory products that we are working on. And for that, we will need normal nodes for text to image generation with some adjustment. So, let's start with the normal nodes by loading a checkpoint load node that we are going to use with a case sampler, of course. We also need a VAE node and an empty latent image, and there, I load a specific node named split image with alpha. We will use it to generate a mask, with a second one named image composite mask. Don't forget to convert the width and height in the empty image node into inputs. Right-click on the node and find Convert Widget to Input, and do the same for the height. Once done, let's see how to join all these nodes. I'll let you do like me, so don't hesitate to pause the video if necessary. So, it looks good. We can see what if it worked well in the image preview. So let's queue prompt. Alright, we have a simple background which will serve as a background mask. Let's continue with the missing nodes. The IC light conditioning. I will make it the subject of a separate video, and we need to apply an IP adapter by using the Easy Apply IP adapter. We will apply a gray mask by loading IC light node that will the image remove background output as an input. I load 2 VAE encode, the argmax one this time. Then we need a clip text for positive prompt. And one for the negative prompt. And finally, we load a load and apply IC light. Make sure you choose the right Model FC safe insert. It's time to connect all this mess. As usual, I'll let you do like me by following the video without forgetting to pause if necessary. Here, you can add an image preview. So now, you will add a detailed transfer node that you will connect to the case sampler passing by a VAE encode. And here the final node to save image. Now that all the staff look good, you can make some adjustment if you want, but the workflow is ready to work. All we have to do is to write a good prompt describing the wanted background. So alright, everything seems okay. Let's try some prompt to see what we have. So, I try with Dune Moonlight in the positive prompt, and I'll put some negative prompt to avoid bad surprise. I think it's a great result. I like it. Let's put the images side by side to see clearly. The result is very good, taking into account that it's a generative AI. It changes, and it's natural. That's why we were trying to find a way to have the best result. we can test with other prompt. The results still very good. Let's try again. Oh, this opens up a lot of possibilities for us. Oh, I try with some other prompt to see if results still good. As you'll see, it has worked well. Remember, this workflow works with SD 1.5 models. I will update it for SDXL models soon. And like I tell you before, this workflow can be used for marketing and factory product. I'll let you see that with some tests in the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy with us. So I will leave you with an example with a computer image and a perfume one as an advertising example. I know you will recognize the brand. So, in the next video, we are going to see good stuff. Yeah, just a lot of cool stuff to come. So please, make sure you subscribe, like the video, tell your friends, and see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So, keep in touch.